All right, I'm gonna try to make some soft serve vanilla ice cream using this stuff. I don't have a commercial ice cream machine. I do have a smaller slushy machine that also says it can do soft serve, but we're gonna try to put this in this. I have to do some math because it won't take nearly this much at a time. So I'm dividing it and conquering, and I did the math, and I think I need to use 1 quart of water and about 3/4 of a pound of this stuff, which works out to about 341 grams of it. So I'm going to measure all that out and see what it looks like. All right, here's my 1 quart of water. I'm going to put that in the blender first. There's that much. And here is about a pound, or actually 3/4 of a pound of this ice cream mix. It looks like a really fine powder is what it looks like. Really soft, light, fine powder. Smells very, very vanilla-y. I'll just throw this in the blender and see how it looks. Making a little bit of a mess here. Maybe I need to try a different method. So here's what it looks like now. Looks like a really thick milk or cream. I do think blending it probably was a little bit of overkill. It really doesn't need to get blended like this. Just mixing in a bowl with like a whisk or even like a immersion blender would be plenty probably. But we're gonna pour this into our slushy machine here, which also does soft serve ice cream, and we'll see how it looks. All right, we're going to turn this on and set it to ice cream, chilling it to 21 degrees, and we'll see how this thing does its magic. So it's down to 38 degrees, and this is what it's looking like so far. It's gotten a little bit thicker, but still has a ways to go. It's down to 27 degrees. And it's definitely thickening up. All right, it's 21 degrees, so it should be done. We're gonna get a little bit of ice cream and see how it tastes. Pretty thick. Looks pretty thick, like soft serve. I'm gonna take a bite and see how it tastes. It's pretty good. I would say it's not quite as smooth and creamy as Dairy Queen. It does have just a little bit of grittiness texture to it. But yeah, it tastes good. And cold, delicious ice cream, homemade ice cream type dessert. I love it.